Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and having amazing time preparing everything for Christmas. Today is my another Christmas related video, but this will be my last Christmas video where I'm creating home decoration. In my next videos I will focus more on gift ideas, wrapping and decorating presents, and some card making as well. So if you don't want to miss those videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell as well. In today's video, there won't be that many DIY projects. I will be mostly sharing some ideas how you can decorate your home for Christmas using only natural items. So if you like to be surrounded by nature or simply your budget for Christmas decoration is low this year, these ideas will be great for you. I personally like natural elements at home. I think they just bring more coziness to your interior, and it's also a great idea for someone who just doesn't go that much time shopping for Christmas, because all of these ideas are super easy and quick to do. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the first idea. To create dry orange slices, I've picked up nice and big oranges. I've got few of them, but of course you can use how many you want. Using sharp knife, I cut the same thickness slices, about half centimeters thick. Don't cut them too thin because they might burn quite quick, but not too thick because it will take forever to dry out. Throw away two ends of the orange. Place the slices flat and using towel or kitchen towel, dry them out. Tap slightly so the towel will absorb the juice from the orange. Do it on both sides of each slice. Place all your slices on baking tray or on the grill grid, which probably is slightly better as the hot air can go through it. Once this is done, put them to the oven. I cooked my slices at 120 Celsius degrees for 2 hours. Then I put it down to 60 degrees and keep it for another hour. After cooking, they should be completely dry and look like this. So for my first idea, I'm going to use these slices as an ornament for my Christmas tree. I'm using hemp rope, which I think look very natural as well. I'm taking the rope through the orange slice and make a knot so I will be able to hang it on. I'm going to create few of them for my tree. Next thing you can use as an ornament are pine cones. You can buy them from the shop or easily collect from the ground. They usually got this small part at the top of them, so it's really easy to add some rope to it. Super easy, but how cute. And another option for natural ornaments are cinnamon sticks. I've got these ones from Poland. I take 3 of them together and just wrap the rope around them, making some loop as well. To decorate it a little bit more, I push some fresh leaves behind the rope. To use some more of my orange slices, I've decided to create Christmas garland. Again, I've took a long piece of hemp rope and I'm going to put it through the slices. Once the first slice is on, I'm adding some wooden unpainted beads. I'm using 2 smaller and 1 bigger. But before I put them on the rope, I create some knots. This won't allow the beads to move and cross over this point. Then I simply add some beads. And once the 3 beads are on, I secure it again with some knots. I'm putting oranges and beads alternately in the same distance. I carry on with this till the end of my rope. I really like how it turned out, super Christmassy but with the bohemian vibe to it. I've collected few branches from my tree. I will need only 5 of them, so I'm picking the best ones. I remove all the parts which are sticking out and making sure all sticks are the same length. I create star shape out of them. And to secure it, I'm using hemp rope again. I just simply go a few times around the points where 2 sticks are touching each other. When all points were connected together, the star was still wobbly, so I had to add the string in few other places. Then I found these fairy lights which I thought going to add a nice touch to this star, so I wrapped them around on each stick. Adding some string on the top and the star is ready. It looks really nice in the evening with the lights on. I found this lovely gold tray recently in my local charity shop. I thought it would be great to use it as a centerpiece for dining table. I wanted to look super fresh and natural, so I start with placing some fresh leaves all around the tray. For the center, I'm using white candle. This idea for orange decoration and natural freshener I remember from my home. We used to do it every year for Christmas. I just simply stick clothes to my orange, creating some funky patterns. Absolutely love the smell of it. I think it's my Christmas smell. I place them on both sides of the candle. Then I'm adding some cinnamon sticks, orange slices around the candle, and pine cones to finish it off. Looks beautiful and smell amazing as well. I think it's a really nice idea for Christmas centerpiece. Of course, you can play around with all the items. I really like the Christmas berries, which would look good in here as well, but I just couldn't find them. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this project. If you do, please click the like button, I will really appreciate it. And of course, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this kind of decoration. I actually really like them. I'm gonna keep this ornament on my Christmas tree this year. And for now, thank you so much for watching and your support, and I will see you in my next video.